Let's talk about it. Sheikah, my first 5K client paid 35K. This is from my membership that is free called Your First 5K Club. The membership itself is free. Lots of things in the classroom, amazing stuff for you, to say the least. Sheikah is also someone who has upgraded to the 360 Pass and also to Authority X Pro, which is my AI. So let's read this and I'll walk you through it. Because when I saw this today, I just saw this, even though she posted it 10 hours ago, I've been on calls all day for work. So I did not see this until just now. And I want to break it down for you. She says, I can't believe I am writing this post. I started your first 5K the last week of March. We're in the beginning of August now. 4 months later, okay, everybody catch that? 4 months later, that decision has paid off, to say the least. I have my first official client, and they are paying far more than my original goal. In addition to doing the challenge, I joined Arlan and Colin their weekly calls. And we have these weekly calls inside of 360 Pass, okay? She said, many times I did not have direct questions to ask, but inevitably someone would ask something that sparked an idea. With the help of my assistants, Authority X Pro and Claude. So Authority X Pro is my AI that she bought, and Claude is, Claude. I built out a full business, taking the research, logistics, and day-to-day decisions of family life off a busy parents' plate so they get their time and headspace back. And now it's paying off, both financially and emotionally. This is really, really important. So I had to make this impromptu video about it. There are people who have made uh, thousands and thousands of dollars from what I teach. There are people who've made more than $1 million from what I teach. It never gets old, and it is quite possible. Sheikah started 4 months ago. And another thing I noticed when I clicked on Sheikah's name is if you go here, you'll see her other posts are usually her celebrating other people's wins. So someone else said earlier, 360 Pass has paid for itself, right? And she's like, I was on that call. Your results were fast. Congratulations. Also, the new look is fire. Very much so celebrating other people and boosting them. Then she talks to David. Hey, David talks about how he made his $400 with the stand store. She says that this is brilliant. And yes, this is a wonderful graduation gift that parents and other family members can give their child. And then she asks questions about it. And it says, Arlen's office hour unlocks something so personal. I don't even see this because I usually like it if I see it. So let's see what she said here. For anyone who attended Arlen's office hours this week, and this is May 21st, she asked us to dig deep and think about our why, not just in the business sense, but in the movement making way. I thought I knew my why. I didn't. My why was sitting on the surface of a much deeper why. That question cracked something open that I didn't know was waiting. Thank you, Arlen, for this well-timed and immensely consequential provocation. If you're curious where it led, the post is linked here, and then she goes to her LinkedIn page. If you go to her LinkedIn page, which I've done before, this post, she starts, my parents left Haiti in the late 70s to build a better life for their family. You can look up her name here and read the rest of this from May. If you go to her page, you'll see she has about 1,000 followers. She has in her description what she does. She says, as the founder of Silent Partner Co., I take the research, decisions, and logistics of family life off your plate. We start with a handoff session, a guided conversation where I draw out everything you're carrying, then sort it, make every decision for you, I would assume, and deliver a personalized document with researched recommendations, handoff guides anyone can easily follow, and a list of things you have permission to stop doing entirely. From there, I can take on a specific logistical project end to end or become your ongoing household chief of staff. Listen to me. I need you to hear me, okay? She says that she came up with this with the help of Authority X Pro, my AI that teaches you sales and content, your offer, your pricing, what to say to people, how to market, where to find them, and through 360 Pass, these calls she goes on. Sometimes she'll go on them, not every week, but she'll go on them. My calls are weekly. Colin's calls are weekly. He's a sales call, has a sales call. He's a sales expert. It's just a wonderful case study, and I'm mind blown. You can probably tell. $35,000. I would imagine she's getting that because she took that original offer and it turned into, okay, take this off my plate or become my household chief of staff. It's just brilliant. Am I telling you to become a household chief of staff? No. It's a brilliant idea, but I'm not telling you to do that. I'm telling you that whatever you have that will make you the next few $1,000s that you need or want is already within you. And I'm telling you that if you have been watching my videos, but you haven't joined my free membership, or you've joined my free membership, you're one of 33,000 people who has, but you haven't joined 360 Pass, which 1,200 people have. That means 32,000 haven't. And it's currently at a special price. What I'm saying is that there is more to do, more to have access to. And if you haven't joined Authority X Pro, even though you're in 360 Pass and have a huge discount, more like a 36% discount off of Authority X Pro when you join 360, then I'm telling you today is the day. This is the wake-up call. I have a bundle. I'll link to it below. For $997, you get a full year of Authority X Pro, the full AI that made that product for her. You'll get a full year of 360 Pass included. It's a bundle. And you will do something with it. If you're trying to do the math, this is the lowest you can get it. So you just run with the bundle, okay? It's just too cool. And I'm so impressed. And I'm also like, I think what makes me so happy in this moment is not just the 35,000, because that does make me happy. What makes me happy is that the whole reason I do this, I make all these videos online. I mean, for 2.5 years, I've put up at least 5 videos per week, long form on YouTube. Um, I post on every platform that I can get my hands on. I go to places in person and I give away like millions of free training, millions of dollars in free training. And the whole reason I do this is for people to find freedom and options that come from making more money on their terms. And this is an example, a stark and wonderful example, a clear example of how that is possible. You keep showing up, you come to the calls or you watch the replays, you have a clear plan, you make moves and make decisions, and it will turn into something. I'm delighted and I'm so happy. And I just want to see it keep happening for people over and over and over again. So let's go, okay? May today be the worst day of the rest of your life. Yeah, so every day is better after that, I guess. Let's go.